Here we have an equation of a line, and we're given a point on that line. So if we take the coordinates of the point and substitute them into the equation, everything should work out. Well, plugging 0 into x and 2 into y, the equation ends up being 2k equals 4, and that of course means that k is 2. If you like this approach, be sure to check out my book. It's all in there. What do you want me to talk about in my next video? Type it down in the comments below and maybe I'll make a video just for you. Make sure you're subscribed and click that little bell icon below so you don't miss any future videos. See you next time.